Batteries are an ever-changing product. Changes are based on newer technology and the desire to meet consumers' needs. Having different types of batteries for different occasions is vital for the industry. Their inability to adapt will cause a plummet in sales, and the future of technology will face a major setback. Not only should producers be looking at different styles of batteries to fit needs, but the contents of what they are providing and the effects it will have on their surroundings in the long run. With our environment already facing severe damage from toxins and pollutions, it is important to adjust what we already know for the greater good. This was the inspiration for Envattery. Having an environmentally friendly product was important for the market, and the consumers are then given the opportunity to change their ecosystems by purchasing from the company. The feature that sets Envattery products apart from other batteries already on the market is the fact that Envattery products are biodegradable. The product manages to power your devices the same while making positive changes to the environment. Our slogan says just that. A power so strong it can change the environment. This presents consumers with a reliable product that changes the negative impact our environment has endured. Technology continues to grow and expand. The uses compared are constantly developing when presented to consumers. With technology changing and growing, companies are doing what they can to attend to their needs. Having battery-operated products is becoming increasingly common as it saves users the trouble of cables and the convenience of portable products. Envattery targets users 15 and older as they are the ones who are most frequently using technology and battery-operated items. All ages will have access to Envattery products, but it will mainly be targeted to those 15 and older as they will have the most need for them, and as well as having the greatest understanding of the environment and the benefits of biodegradable items. The biggest perk of my venture is the lack of direct competitors. Of course, the battery industry is booming with different products and different versions of these products. Brands such as Duracell and Energizer are popular amongst those purchasing the item and have successfully been able to take over the market. Though that is the case, there are no other battery companies creating biodegradable batteries for every different item which requires them. Our company provides consumers with the highest amount of choice, including batteries such as AA, AAA, and Lantern batteries. The fact that there are no direct competitors is the greatest advantage. Envattery has over everyone else, while providing the most options with an eco-friendly flair. As someone with a lot of business background, I feel as though I will be able to successfully bring attention to my company and gain a strong consumer base. Having grown up in a household where my dad created his own company, providing audio and visual items, I have both a strong understanding of technology as well as entrepreneurship. I will then be able to use that knowledge to sell properly and effectively. It is important that I listen to what consumers are looking for and what can be done in the production process to meet those demands. I currently have a part-time job as well, which is also retail. Working in retail for over 2 years now has given me the experience and given me opportunities to sell to a specific market. I have a strong interest in all forms of business, earning a business certificate for taking a minimum of 6 business courses throughout high school. I will strive to retain as much information as possible and apply it to the Envattery company. I have also volunteered for different events, working with money and collaborating with others. This has allowed me to learn new things and grow as a business person. All of these things are very strong examples of what a person would need to gain success for their company, knowing what they are working with due to their pre-existing experiences. As addressed previously, technology is very popular and gives users easy access to the internet. With popularity surrounding the internet, Envattery has provided users with several different media platforms, such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. There's also a website where potential consumers can read about Envattery and have some of their questions answered. They can find the brick and mortar location as well as easily purchase Envattery products with a simple click of a button. Envattery is a company that will be very successful as they are clearly set apart from others. Providing consumers with an environmentally friendly product that meets their previous desires has always been on the top of the list when being produced. To have a battery that biodegrades is quite special and will attract those who will protect the future of the planet, a power so strong it can change the environment.